Good morning, class. Today I am going to start with the example of a letter, the second letter which I have given you as a homework. Yesterday, in my previous video, like day before yesterday, I had sent one video where I had given you the example where it is written C46 Janakpuri, New Delhi, and that was the letter regarding a reckless driving of a school bus driver. So I have shown you how you are going to write a letter, the format of the letter, and how you are going to start your letter content, like through the column of your esteemed newspaper. I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the grave issue. And then I had mentioned three paragraphs with this letter, and I had enclosed with the yours sincerely, Deepti and Deepak. Now yesterday I had given you one example or as a homework where you have to write a letter to the HMT Corporation, Chandigarh, complaining that the wristwatch you recently bought from them does not function properly and ask for replacement. You are Deepti Deepak Gupta, 450 Sector 20, Chandigarh. So students, as I have told you in my previous video or like discuss with you that I am going to give you the three example that is totally based with the sender's name as well as the receiver's address also. Here the sender's address is also mentioned, and here the receiver's address is also mentioned. After the three examples, I will be giving you three more examples that is totally based where the sender's address is not mentioned as well as the receiver's address is not mentioned. Now here you can see that the sender's address is mentioned, that 450 sector 20 Chandigarh. So 450 sector 20 Chandigarh, here I mentioned it. Then again I had left one line, and then this is date May 7 2020. Now you are writing a letter to the HMT Corporation Chandigarh, means you are not writing a letter to the editor. Now you are writing a letter to the manager of that company. So the manager, HMT Corporation Chandigarh. Now what is the subject? As you know that the subject is complaining that the wristwatch you recently bought from them does not function properly and ask for replacement also. So what will be the subject? Complaint regarding functioning of watch and its replacement. Now I'll start my letter like this. Sir, madam, this is to bring your kind attention that on March 28, 2020, I bought a Titan watch model number 1234 worth rupees 9,000 from your store. Now here student, you can write any date, you can mention any model number, or you can give any amount of the that watch. Like I had mentioned model number 1234 and worth rupees 9,000, and I had bought on March 28 2020. It is not compulsory that you all have to write down the same thing. See, this is the letter regarding the complaint that what the item which you had brought that is not functioning properly. So this is the description, the first description. As I have told you that in the letter, the first passage of first paragraph will goes with the detail, means the introduction of yourself. Now this is the introduction of yourself, that you had brought a watch that is on 28 2020, and that is of Titan model number, you have mentioned it already, and that worth rupees 9,000. Now the second paragraph is the detail of the matter. But now what is the matter? But unfortunately your watch doesn't work half the time despite several attempts at charging its battery, and your product has not performed well, and I'm highly disappointed and is not expected from such a renowned store. Now what happened? He is telling that the watch which he had purchased is not at all working properly, and he is very much disappointed as he has purchased that watch from such a renowned store. Now so I request you to resolve the problem. I would highly appreciate if you change the watch with a new fully functioning model. I look forward to your reply and a resolution to my problem. Means now this is the third paragraph. As I had told you that in the third paragraph you have to conclude your letter as well as you have to give the solution also about your problem. So you have given this one. Now this is the fourth paragraph which you don't have, which is not mentioned, like I have not mentioned in the format. But अगर आपको लगता है कि letter के according इस चीज़ को mention करनी है, so you can go with this. Like I have the receipt intact. Enclosed are the copies of receipt along with the guarantee card. Please contact me at the above address or by phone at. Now you have to mention that your phone number. Yours sincerely, Deepti or Deepak Gupta. And here you can also write down what is you have enclosed. Night enclosure. What you have enclosures, like आपने कौन कौन सी चीज़ें यहाँ पर लगाई है. That is the receipt of the watch. ठीक है, receipt, that is the one. And second, what you have mentioned, guarantee card, that at what price, at what date you have purchased this, that would be the second one. So here you can mention these two things. So students, now you can see that this is the example which I had mentioned, and you all have to write like this. If you have written somewhat in this way, so that is also correct. You can send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. So this is the way which you are going to write down the letter. Now I'm going to mention the third letter. This is the last letter which I want to give you as a homework. This is also a homework for you. So what is the homework? Write a letter to the local secretary of the Residents Association complaining against the problem. You are Sanjeet of 122 Arjun Nagar, New Delhi. A number of scooters and cars are parked in your locality without any order, causing blockage of the street. Now here you are writing to the local secretary of the resident association complaining. Means this is the society based complaint. Means that आपके जो घर के सामने हैं, there is a number of scooters and cars are parked in your locality without any order, causing blockage of the street. So students, here the same case, here the same thing is the address of the senders is given, that you are Sanjeet. Now this is a Sanjeet, means the only one person is given. So a girl has to be write the name of the Sanjeet only. ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़कियों को संजीत, अगर से लड़के का नाम दिया संजीत, नहीं, वो सबके लिए दिया गया है. तो आपको वो सारी चीज़ें वैसे ही मेंशन करनी है. So at the last of the enclosure, after the enclosure of the letter, you are going to write yours sincerely Sanjeet. Now what is the address? You can mention 122 Arjun Nagar, New Delhi, then date. Then again you are going to write down the local secretary, resident association, अर्जुन नगर, न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर देखो रेसिडेंट एसोसिएशन मेंशन करना ज़रूरी है. द लोकल सेक्रेटरी लिखिएगा ऊपर, जहाँ पर लोग द मैनेजर या द एडिटर लिखते हैं, वहाँ पर लिखिएगा द लोकल सेक्रेटरी, रेसिडेंट एसोसिएशन, अर्जुन नगर, न्यू दिल्ली. अब ये जो प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ की है? ये प्रॉब्लम है आपके अर्जुन नगर के सोसाइटी की है. तो अब आप कहीं और का एड्रेस नहीं डालोगे. लोकल रेसिडेंट जो भी लोकल सेक्रेटरी है वो अर्जुन नगर का ही है, तो आपको अर्जुन नगर के ही सेक्रेटरी को लिखनी है. तो आप एड्रेस में क्या मेंशन करोगे? यू आर गोइंग टू मेंशन द लोकल सेक्रेटरी, द रेसिडेंट्स एसोसिएशन अर्जुन नगर, न्यू दिल्ली. Now after that you can start your letter, that letter regarding the complaint of so too many scooters and cars that are parked in our locality, and that is blocking the street. Like this you can mention the subject. Then sir or madam, this is to bring your kind attention. This is to bring your kind attention. This is to draw your attention towards our locality, that too many cars and scooters are parked in our society without any confirmed notice, and that is are blocking our street, and the children cannot play there, or the resident cannot park their own vehicles there. तो इस तरीके से आप अपना पहले डिटेल दोगे. देन इन द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ यू आर मेंशनिंग योर दैट वन, the detail of the matter. Then the next one you are concluding the paragraph. You can mention the solution as well as, and then yours sincerely Sanjeev. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप इसको भी करोगे. दिस विल बी द लास्ट example, as I have told you that this will be the last example of the given your what you can say, the given name of the sender's address or the receiver's address. Now after this I will be giving you the letter which is related, which in which there is no resident name, sender's name will be there, there will be no your receiver's address will be there. So you have to how you are going to write that letter, that I will be telling you in the next video. So just do this homework, and this is the homework which I had done for you all. So you all have to do this homework, and in the next coming video I will be sharing this one also, and I will be discussing the next example also. So till then, take care, bye bye.